Hi guys, Jeff Allen off the gridiron. Well, I'm just on my back deck. It's late November, and I just picked up a new piece of kit. This is the MSR Whisperlite International. Very popular stove. I saw this one on a local buy and sell site, and I thought I'd pick it up and give it a try. So let's have a quick look and a quick review of the Whisperlite International by MSR. Hi guys, welcome back. Jeff Allen off the gridiron. See you in the woods. So this is the Whisperlite International. I just picked this up off a buy and sell site. Here's the original tag for it. Whisperlite International 600 stove. Mountain Safety Research. We'll use white gas, high-grade kerosene, auto gas. So this is why I picked it up. That multi-fuel purpose is going to serve us well. A couple of different instruction setups. There's the lid for the canister. Little cloth here. What else is in the kit? I understand there's a couple of different tools, and in this bag there's some pump oil, wrench, an extra O-ring seal, and it looks like the extra port there, extra fuel nozzle. I'll have to read the instructions how to use that. Got a couple of aluminum shielding. This little shield there for the windshield. And this is another windshield of sorts, kind of a high-grade aluminum, and I'm sure that just goes on there somewhere, but not too worried about it there. It comes with a nice carrying bag, which is always handy to keep all your parts together. So we're going to move a few of these pieces out of the way. How this stove packs down is all the legs all fold together, and this extra little nozzle hose can just get put on there. That's how I'm gonna pack it down anyways. So you pull that out. This is my second time using the stove, so I'm not really proficient at it just yet. Okay. With the bottle, it has the threaded on pump set up, and it has you pump that up to 30 times just to pressurize the bottle. This little orifice here receives the end of the gas line, and push that all the way in. It seats right down to the bottom, and then this lever folds over the top and just snaps down into place. Now, being all rolled up with a little flexion, the stove kind of sits nicely, so it's not kind of tipping up. And if you look down inside by the wick, I'm going to turn on the fuel. And if you look down inside the wick, you should be able to see the fuel slowly opening. Oh, there it comes. Alright, I'm going to shut it off. So you can see the fuel filling up the bowl here, soaking the wick. So now with the wick, we're going to light it. And it's my understanding that the heat is going to kind of cause that fuel to start vaporizing in this tube. Now I'm going to open the fuel a little bit further. You can hear the pressure, it's naturally building up. And you want to hear that hissing sound. And there we go. And then from here you open your tank all the way, and the jets are very difficult to see, but they're coming out at full volume right now, and it's ready to boil some water, cook some food. Now what I'm going to try, I'm going to try to shut it right off. Clockwords on the dial, shuts it off. There it is. And you can start to hear the hissing and the burning as the fuel is burned out of the lines. I just want to see how easy it is to relight. Okay, it is now out. I'm going to turn the jets back on again. Turn the tank back on. And quite easy to relight just from the top. I did not have to, and that would be quite safe. If you were operating this in a vestibule of the tent, that second burn would be quite easy to light without the risk of a big flare-up happening. Let's get a pot of water on here. Okay, just went to get some water in my pot. We're going to see how long it takes to boil. It's 500 milliliters of water. And we're going to turn on the fuel. Let's see, relight this. Okay, it's been off for about 5 minutes, so you can see that it's going to take a little bit to repressurize. Okay, that sounds good. And it's 11:50. We'll see how long this takes to boil. Well, it's about 5 minutes and that water is almost to a rolling boil. Certainly hot enough for any super hot drink that I'm gonna want to eat or drink. So I think that we'll call that a win. Trying some ginger chai tea. Now that the stove's had a chance to cool down, we just we're gonna repeat the process in reverse. Take off the latch, the fuel nozzle, fuel line. Just kind of, it's a nice fit, nice pressure fit. Comes out of the bottle. Make sure our valve is nice and closed, nice and tight. And from here, this is the kind of the solid fuel line here. All the legs wrap kind of toward, which way are we going here? Spin around and wrap toward this fuel line, toward this side. And it all kind of caves down on itself, and this little nozzle can wrap up and just kind of tuck in there. And just like that, nice and convenient. See if we can put all these pieces back in the bag. You don't want to lose any of these extra pieces or instructions. Okay. There's that in the screen. The other one's just blown off the table. And nice and cool to the touch means we can put it back in the bag. There we go, Whisperlite International. Well guys, thanks for joining me today. A quick review of the Whisperlite International 600 series stove. Today we're using white gas as a fuel, and within 5 minutes we had a rolling boil on this quite heavy duty pot. And certainly a stove that packs down conveniently. The multi-fuel operation allows that ability to resort to different fuels in a pinch, but right now we were using white gas and it worked great. So thanks for watching. Jeff Allen, Off the Gridiron. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share, and maybe the bell notification down below to be notified of some of my future videos. Until next time, enjoy your outdoors. Bye for now. Cheers.